Hello guys, hope all of you are fine in current scenario and staying safely. You know, this is another channel which has been created for giving you a practical knowledge on medical and pharmacy research including basics. So welcome to the ST's research lab as per the demanding situation. Today I have come with an experiment technique of mitosis on onion root tip. We know all organisms are made of cells. For an organism to grow, mature and maintain tissue, new cells must be made. All cells are produced by division of pre-existing cells. Continuity of life depends on cell division. There are two main methods of cell division that are the mitosis and meiosis. In this tutorial, we will learn about only mitosis. What is mitosis? Mitosis is very important to life because it provides new cells for growth and replaces dead cells. Mitosis is the process in which a eukaryotic cell nucleus splits in two, followed by division of the parent cell into two daughter cells. Each cell division consists of two events, cytokinesis and karyokinesis. Karyokinesis is the process of division of the nucleus and cytokinesis is the process of division of cytoplasm. What's the relation between mitosis and onion root tip? The meristematic cells located in the root tips provide the most suitable material for the study of mitosis. Onion is a monocot plant. The chromosome of monocotyledonous plants is large and more visible. Therefore, onion root tips are used to study mitosis. Based on the kind of cells and species of organism, the time taken for mitosis may vary. Mitosis is influenced by factors like temperature and time. An onion root tip is a rapidly growing part of the onion and thus many cells will be in different stages of mitosis. The onion root tips can be prepared and squashed in a way that allows them to be flattened on a microscopic slide so that the chromosomes of individual cells can be observed easily. The supercoiled chromosomes during different stages of mitosis present in the onion root tip cells can be visualized by treating with DNA-specific strains like Feulgen strain and Acetocarmine strain. Nowadays, this mitotic study is using for cancer, Alzheimer's, CNS disorder during drug research. Study results can show off the changing of anaphase bridges, breaks, lagging and stickiness, abnormal spiralation, multipolarity and polyploidy, and cytological aberration, especially nuclear alteration, nuclear buds, fragmented nucleus and apoptotic bodies, cells without nucleus, binucleated and micronucleated cells. Morphological alterations in shape and size of shell cells, spindle disturbances and polar deviation in root tips meristematic cells. So I am going to start today's episode. Let's start. First, we have to know what's required for the experiment, this mitosis in onion root tip study. Number 1, a compound microscope. Number 2, acetocarmine stain. Number 3, water. Number 4, burner. Number 5, N/10 hydrochloric acid. Next, filter paper, cover slip. Acetoalcohol means glacial acetic acid and ethanol in the ratio of 1:3. Glass slide, onion root peel, forceps, blade, watch glass, dropper, needle, vial. Now going to the experiment part. This is onion. Look, everybody will know this is onion. I will kept it in a glass beaker for the 4 to 6 days for generation of new roots to grow and appear. After 6 days, look, these the roots and shoots developed. Too much roots developed and shoots also developed in 6 days in onion. So now trim around 3 cm of the newly grown roots and place them in a watch glass. Here I am kept it in the glass beaker. Now it's shifting to the freshly prepared aceto alcohol, the mixture of glacial acetic acid and ethanol in the ratio 1:1 ratio solution. Allow the root tips to remain the vial for one complete day, means 24 hours. With the help of a dropper, allow 1 drop of N/10 HCl to come in contact with the tip of the root. Additionally, add around 2 to 3 drops of the acetocarmine stain. I already prepared in this petri dish the solution of acetocarmine stain and mixture of N/10 HCl. Incubate the roots for 12 to 15 minutes. During the incubation, the very tip of the root will begin to turn brown. We will use Feulgen stain also at the place of acetocarmine stain. During the incubation, the very tip of the root will begin to turn red in the case of Feulgen stain. I am taking a brush for pick one root and set in on a new glass slide. I am taking 3 roots. 15 minutes over, I take one candle and matches. Heat is lightly on the burner in such a way that the stain does not dry up. Warm the slide gently for about 1 minute. Do not allow the slide to get hot to the touch. You don't want to cook either your fingers or the root. Do not let the root dry out. This step will not recur for the Feulgen stain. Now more staining part of the root tip. I am trimming with the help of a blade, discarding the laser stain part also while retaining the more stained section. Now adding a droplet of water to it, placing a cover slip mounted on it. I am taking a tissue paper and slide is placed on the tissue paper, wrapping the slide with this tissue paper like this and slowly tapping over the tissue paper on the slide. This will help the root tip present under the cover slip to be squashed properly and to be straightened out as a fine cell layers. Now the onion root tip cell slide is now prepared and ready to be examined for different stages of mitosis. Observe and study mitosis by placing the slide under the compound microscope. Focus as desired to obtain a distinct and clear image. Observe it under a compound microscope in 10x objective. Scan and narrow down to a region containing dividing cells and switch to 40x for a better. So let's placing the slide over my compound microscope. Setting it first for 10x objective. Yes, got it. First phase is prophase. I got two types of prophase phase. One is early prophase phase and another is late prophase phase. Mitosis begins at prophase with the thickening and coiling of the chromosomes. The nuclear membrane and nucleus shrinks and disappears. Here you see at early prophase phase. In early prophase phase, the chromosomes are thickened and coiled. Next one, the late prophase phase. The nuclear membrane and nucleus shrinks and disappears. And end of the prophase is marked by the beginning of the organization of a group of fibers to form a spindle. Next phase, metaphase. The chromosome become thick and two chromatids of each chromosome become clear. Each chromosome attached to spindle fibers at its centromere. The centromeres are arranged at the midline of the cell. Next one, anaphase. Here also I got two shades of anaphase, early anaphase and late anaphase. In early anaphase, each chromatid pair separates from the centromere and move towards the opposite ends of the cell by the spindle fibers. In late anaphase, the cell membrane begins to pinch at the center. Last one, telophase. Chromatids arrive at opposite poles of cell. The spindle disappears and the daughter chromosome uncoils to form chromatin fibers. The nuclear membranes and nucleus reform and two daughter nuclei appear at the opposite poles. Cytokinesis or the partitioning of the cell may also begin during this stage. Another one stage that's called the interphase. The stage or phase after the completion of mitosis is called interphase. It is the non-dividing phase of the cell cycle between two successive cell divisions. Mitosis is only one part of the cell cycle. Most of the life of a cell is spent in interphase. Interphase consists of three stages called G1, S and G2. Here we are observing the interphase. Too much interphase here. Mitotic index. The percentage of cells undergoing mitosis, or it is defined as the ratio of number of cells in the dividing phase to the total number of cells observed. This will help to identify the region of most mitotic activities. Mitotic index helps us to quantify the cell division. Mitotic index decreases with increasing distance from root tip. That means gradual decrease in cell division as it moves from the zone of cell division to the zone of the cell elongation. The merismatic region in the root tip is the actively growing region, and thus the mitotic index is high. Mitotic index have an equation, calculation for the mitotic index. Mitotic index is equals to n by capital N into 100. Mitotic index is used to quantify the differences in cell division when environmental parameters are changed. Studies have already proved that the plants grown in space in microgravity have a greater mitotic index than plants grow on the ground. The gravity sensing signals in the root cap are unable to send proper orientation signals which inhibit growth in the cells that are distant from the root tip and root cap junction when kept in zero gravity. This leads to mitosis in greater number of cells, and plants also produce secondary roots at a high rate. So this is the overall mitosis in onion root tip. I will definitely come with future episodes to how to do the onion oil extraction, how can we use onion oil and onion powder for cosmetology and health remedies. This type of videos will also be helpful to prepare homemade perfume and cosmetics for the homemaker, housewives, students, research scholars, etc. Before ending today's episode, if you like this video, please like, share and comment freely. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you already subscribed, then thanks a lot. And after subscribing our channel, please click on the bell button for getting the regular update. I am coming with another episode very shortly. Till then, goodbye.